Total commitment and relentless effort have given birth to a new generation, ready to carry riders boldly into the future. Renowned for its abundant power, agility, and imposing presence, the 2026 edition of this flagship model is powered by a powerful yet refined inline four-cylinder engine, housed in a proven and modernized chassis that balances precision with unmatched composure. Powered by a torque-rich 1340cc engine, the Hayabusa delivers a seamless surge of power, accelerating faster and smoother than ever before. Unrivaled rider control is achieved through the Suzuki Intelligent Ride System, which offers adjustable power delivery. The Hayabusa is instantly recognizable for its wind-splitting body and styling cues, inspired by the peregrine falcon, the world's fastest animal. To bring a sophisticated look to the iconic Hayabusa, the Suzuki design team combined distinct lines and shapes to achieve the ultimate expression of refinement and performance. This third-generation Hayabusa remains true to its roots, focused on delivering a balanced and unrivaled sports motorcycle experience. The Suzuki Hayabusa stands as a testament to Suzuki's century-long commitment to creating masterpieces that combine artistry with unmatched performance, reliability, and value. The enhanced riding experience features smoother power delivery and more agile handling, along with a suite of new electronic systems designed to optimize performance characteristics, making the Hayabusa even more manageable, predictable, and reliable. Optimized aerodynamics and wind protection provide comfort, while enhanced braking performance instills confidence. The bodywork features sculpted vents, an air diffuser, and updated logos, complemented by a sophisticated LED lighting system that represents the pinnacle of style and function.